In this video, I'm going to share my review and tips of the famous, luxurious 5-star hotel in Italy called Sirenuse, located in Positano, Almafi Coast, that has one of the best famous views of Positano. I'm Marilee Blair, and I've been to 54 countries, so my goal is to bring you those peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into Sirenuse Hotel in Positano, Italy. So I had been dreaming for years to stay at La Sirenuse in Positano for its unique Italian architecture style and the most stunning views overlooking Positano. It's one of the most luxurious hotels in the world, and it's actually where a majority of the celebrities stay when they visit Positano. I knew it was going to be expensive, but I really wanted to stay here for my birthday trip in April 2023. When I was researching this trip, a lot of websites recommended to book your Positano hotels as early as possible because they book up really fast since it's a popular tourist destination with limited hotels, especially the ones with the best views. So when I went to book this hotel in December 2022, it had actually already sold out the majority of the nights we needed, and they only had one night available for the room we wanted that guaranteed a great view of Positano. I wanted to stay at least 2 nights, but since it was my dream, I realized one night was better than nothing, so I would happily take it over not getting the experience to stay here. I looked to see if I could utilize my Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card points so it wouldn't cost me as much out of pocket, and thank goodness it was on my Chase Points portal, so we booked it. Cost was $880.22 for one night. So I used my points that were worth $731.20. So all I paid out of pocket for this room was $149.02. Les Sirenuse included early check-in, late checkout, and the best free buffet breakfast with the exceptional 5-star customer service and so many amazing views. Looking back now, I have no regrets, and I'm so happy I booked this hotel for a once-in-a-lifetime luxurious experience. Les Sirenuse was a dream come true. Every part of that hotel had gorgeous views and felt like a fairy tale. So I did so many photo shoots throughout the hotel in different outfits because 1, it wasn't as packed since we went in April versus going during the summer when the crowds come. And number 2, you just felt like a celebrity being there. The customer service here was the absolute best we've ever had in Italy. Plus, when we arrived, we got a free bottle of champagne and strawberries when we arrived in our room. And to make the most of our short time there, we actually stayed at the hotel the whole day, night, and following morning to really enjoy it, taking all the views from every possible spot, and we even had dinner there to celebrate my birthday. And we woke up so early to enjoy it before breakfast and checkout. So this is definitely one of the most incredible luxury hotels I highly recommend. Travel tip. So if you don't stay here, I do highly recommend going to their restaurant called La Sponda for dinner. It has one of the best views of Positano during the day to watching sunset and night. And it's the same place where their free buffet breakfast is, so it's great to enjoy also for dinner. On their website, they were fully booked for reservations, but since we were staying at the hotel as guests, we were able to get a reservation easily since they save a lot of time slots for hotel guests as a priority. So we chose to have the earliest time that they opened for, which was 7:30 p.m. And I highly recommend going at 7:30 because you get to enjoy it first when it's not as packed right away. And another travel tip is get there early before 7:30 to La Sponda when checking in for your dinner reservation so you can be seated first, which means you get the window seat view of Positano with your dinner. And that's what we did, and we got the seat that we wanted because we came down there before 7:30. Whereas people who had the same reservation time but came after us had to sit behind us, which is fine, but if you want a private view of Positano since you're paying so much money already for the food, go early and thank me later. We were so happy we did this to have a window seat view of one of the most romantic dinner views I've ever seen. And we were celebrating my birthday, so my husband let them know, and they gave us a free special dessert and limoncello shots. They just made me feel so special, and they even sang to me. My husband got it on video. So if you are celebrating something special, let the restaurant know so they can do something special like sing and serenade for you too with a great Positano view. And even though the dinner is pricey, the food and drinks are really incredible. To me, it's a once-in-a-lifetime type of meal of experience with the view, so it's great to enjoy if you are already here. Or if you would rather save money, then you can enjoy their bar Franco's if you don't want to spend on an expensive dinner and still want to grab some drinks to enjoy their amazing views for sunset. Franco's doesn't take reservations, so try to get there early to avoid long wait times and look up their hours of operations. So overall, I would give this hotel 5 stars for all it had, since we loved it so much and we didn't leave. We loved everything from the location and waking up and going to sleep to the view of that postcard Positano view that you just Google and see on Instagram. To have that be our reality was just a romantic dream come true to share with my husband. Plus, the breakfast buffet was one of the best we've ever had in Europe with the most gorgeous views. And La Sponda was an amazing dinner experience, again with the views, the free dessert and free drinks, and when they serenaded me for free for my birthday, plus the free champagne and strawberries that they had for us in the room, and the art and design of the hotel to enjoy, the beautiful pool, the amazing customer service that made you feel like a celebrity, and it was only a 2-minute walk to our other hotel. Plus, I was also able to do all the photo shoots and create a lot of amazing content because of this hotel and the hotel balcony and location. And the room was such an amazing size and was so beautifully decorated. And the location was amazing. We were near the bus pickup and drop off, so many restaurants, shops, cafes, and walking distance to walk to the famous Positano beach to enjoy whenever we wanted. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy La Sirenuse. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my longer detailed Positano Almafi Coast itinerary YouTube video to help you plan your Almafi Coast trip. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels, and I'll see you next week.